Meaning of extinct.
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 Extinct. Extinct means that a species of animal, plant, or other organisms no longer exists on Earth. This can happen due to various reasons, including climate change, habitat loss, hunting, natural disasters, or other human activities. When a species becomes extinct, it means that there are no more individuals of that species left in the world. This loss can have ripple effects on ecosystems and overall biodiversity, impacting other species and even humans who rely on them for food or other resources. Extinction is a serious issue that requires our attention and action to prevent further losses.